Why are you near my vehicle? That's what I want to know. Why are you near my tire? Second Tuesday every month. You could be there. My name is Officer.
Call your supervisor.
Okay. Do you have your ID?
Call your supervisor, please.
All right. Put your hands behind your back.
I don't need an ID.
Well, you need an ID to sign the
What's the Fourth Amendment?
Sir, do you need identification?
Ma'am, can you please tell me the Fourth Amendment? He knew the Fourth Amendment. He's a smart dude. Do you know the Fourth Amendment?
We're not here for the...
This man is assaulting me.
How?
He just touched me.
I don't see
right
it.
in his face.
Give me these nuts.
Hey folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we're discussing a crucial topic, the right to record videos in public places. It's not just about snapping pictures. It's about figuring out how to balance our freedom of speech with the rules for public spaces. In this story, there's someone with just a camera and a good understanding of their rights. They challenge the authorities, making us ponder privacy, security, and freedom. It starts a conversation about how open and accountable our society should be. Come along as we explore this interesting situation and talk about the boundaries of public photography and the extent of our freedom. If you believe in defending civil rights, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and sharing it with your friends and family. Your support can really make a difference in spreading awareness, and don't forget to head over to his channel to appreciate him for standing up for our rights. Links in the description.
Can I help you?
No, I'm okay.
Get away from my car.
What's wrong with you?
Nothing's wrong with me. You're
Why
kicking.
you came up on me like that?
Because you're near my car, sir. You're kicking my tire. People like to loosen lug nuts on vehicles.
How the f am I gonna loosen a lug nut by checking the tires?
Well, why are you near my vehicle?
You mean the city vehicle?
Yes, my vehicle is assigned to me for the night. Why are you near my vehicle? That's what I want to know. Why are you near my tire?
What's your name and badge number?
Officer Bowman, 16034.
Use your card?
I'll write my information down for you.
What's your name?
Cardi. It's right here. Cardi. C-A-R-T-Y.
What if I couldn't read?
Well, then, I'm glad we could clear it up for you.
Okay.
Move back away from my vehicle. Move back away from my vehicle.
Just don't touch me, whatever
step
you
back.
do.
Then I'm asking you to step back.
Why?
Yeah, come on, man.
Come on, bro.
I don't understand what the issue is. You can.
No,
you
I
don't.
don't.
Can't follow instructions.
No, I mean, what law am I breaking?
What law are you breaking?
Yeah, what law am I breaking?
You don't get to film inside any
Of course I do.
facility.
Of course I do.
No.
Of course we do. You said facility?
Yeah, this right here, you can't
It's
film
public
anything.
property. This is public property.
No, it's actually not, sir.
It is.
Anything inside this vehicle, you can't
Whatever
film.
I can see from
what if
public,
I have
I can
somebody's
film.
report in there?
That's your
and
job.
it's their private
That's your
property.
job. It's your job.
No, I understand
Not my
that.
job. It's
You
your
can't
job.
film anything
You know what the
inside
plain
this
view
car.
doctrine is?
Huh?
You know what the plain view doctrine is?
The plain view
You use it all the
doctrine.
time when you pull people over.
Okay, and
All right,
nothing
then.
in here is
All right,
plain
then.
view.
Whatever I can see from public, I
Okay,
can film.
get away from me. Just get away from my car.
Don't tell me what to do. You have no
Sir,
authority over
get
me.
away from my vehicle.
Until I commit a crime, then you have authority.
Yeah,
Well,
I'm free. I'm free.
okay, you could be free
All right,
away
then.
from my vehicle.
I could be free
You're
anywhere
in
in
my
America.
personal space
You
right
came
now.
up to me, sir.
You're in my personal
You
space.
came up to me,
This
sir.
car is my space.
No. What law is personal space? What if we was in Times Square watching a ball drop?
Well,
You're gonna
then,
tell everybody
arm's
to get
distance.
it? Okay, you walked up to me, sir.
Okay, and you're
So
near
what are
my
you talking
office.
about? I pay for this. I fund it.
Do you?
Yeah, I work hard
Okay, good for you.
to pay your salary and your salary.
Okay. Well, I'm
And this
glad
is how you
get-
treat me? This is
No,
how you come
I'm
up to
telling
me?
you to get away from my
Why?
vehicle because I don't know what you're doing, sir.
So
Because
why?
I have probable
You don't
suspicion
know.
that you're trying to get
How?
out of my
You
car.
just said that you don't know what I'm doing. You just
You
contradicted
know what
yourself.
probable cause is? Suspicion.
You literally just said, I don't know what you're doing.
Okay, you know what? You know what?
You literally just said you don't know what you're doing.
You literally just said you don't know what you're doing.
You could have been
How about
breaking
you-
into my car.
How about you just said, I don't know what you're doing?
Exactly, I don't. You could have been trying to get into
Could
my
have been.
vehicle. I have probable
Could have
cause to
been.
stop you. Do you have your ID, sir?
You got to articulate that.
I am, absolutely. Do you have your ID?
What makes you think that I'm breaking into your car?
Okay, I have probable cause to believe that you're trying to get into my vehicle. 'Cause
How?
You're
Articulate
standing
it.
right next
Articulate
to
it.
it. I just
Because I'm
did.
standing next to it?
I just did, absolutely.
Taking pictures.
You're looking in, yes,
Taking
absolutely.
pictures with both
so
my
I
hands
have
on my
probable
camera.
cause to stop you.
How?
Do you want to give me ID, sir?
For if you
For
suspect me
a
of a
UF
crime,
250, I'm going to give
call
you
your
my
sergeant.
information.
Am I being detained?
Huh?
Am I being detained?
Right now, you're stopped. Yes,
Am I being
absolutely.
detained? For what crime?
Right now, you're being stopped. I
For
have
what crime?
probable cause to think that you're trying to get into my vehicle or you're trying to damage
Okay,
it. You
so call
just
your-
kicked my
so-
tire.
Yeah, I can check up on my government vehicle. Make sure it's safe
actually, no.
for
Do
you
you
to
have your
drive.
ID?
Call your supervisor.
Okay. Do you have your ID?
Call your supervisor, please.
All right, put your hands behind your back.
How am I going to break the tire? By
He's
checking
trying to
the-
get-
by checking the air pressure.
He was also trying to film inside the vehicle too, and I told
that
him
a
there could be a
crime?
complaint report in there with somebody's private information.
Right.
Tell
We
him-
can't do that
recording
either.
is fine.
Whose
Right? We
responsibility?
understand that.
record.
Whose
We're all
responsibility is
recording.
to keep that information private? Mine's or his?
Again,
His, right?
Again,
I don't
we're not
work for the
saying that
NYPD.
You can record. So
That's
Here
fine.
you go, sir. Is there anything else, sir?
Well, yeah, I want you to educate him on the First Amendment.
Is there anything else, sir?
Yeah, I would like an apology.
I'm not apologizing.
Why not?
I had PC to stop you, dude. Take it.
How?
You can try to sue me. Go ahead.
Okay. I'll apologize, all right?
I'll apologize, right? I'll apologize, right?
If you feel like we're trying to violate your rights, we apologize.
No, I just...
But again, you understand
This
that
is the
it's-
comment. I'm trying to open up the dialogue because
We don't-
I'm a First Amendment activist, so I want to hear what you got to say.
There's a community council meeting, right? You can come. Right? I think what, the second Wednesday of every, or the
Yeah,
last
Tuesday,
Wednesday?
second Tuesday every
Yeah,
month.
fine.
You could be there. My name is
Stop by the
Officer
conference.
Bowman.
Okay.
And then you
And it's
can
a public
concern,
meeting. We can
yeah,
film
you can
those
concern your
meetings, right?
opinions and thoughts and all that good stuff.
Tell
all
the
right?
CEO you
those
were trying to
meetings,
get.
right?
Yeah,
or you
no,
were
I don't
kicking
think you
the
can.
car.
No, not
Why
inside
it's
the
public?
precinct. No, the precinct actually has a rule that you cannot record inside the precinct.
A policy or a law?
It's a law.
It's a law right
You
now.
can get
You
arrested
cannot.
for that
Yeah,
too.
but listen. If
Photography is a crime?
inside of yes.
But it's a
Inside.
public building,
It's
though,
either a
right?
bait or an Eddie
If
David.
you want.
Eddie
Again,
David, you think I'm an EDP?
Sir,
I don't know.
sir,
You're an EDP.
sir, if you feel like
He's
it,
cute. I like it.
if you feel like it, you can talk to our committing officer and kind of get.
Why can't we have the conversation here?
Not right now.
You already had me in
We have
conversation.
robberies, we have
Right.
burglaries, we have
Right.
what's
You
going
wanted
on.
to be like, oh. You wanted
Why
to go
not?
on your way.
So why not just respect my rights? 16 years.
Dave,
Your name is Dave? That's my name. I'm David. See you later, David. You know what David means? It means beloved. But I don't know if everybody loves you. All right, Dave.
Take care.
You're funny. I'll see you again. I'll be out here all night. That's funny. That's hilarious. It's good, bro. Yeah, I'm always good. See you later, Dave. You butt hurt? Yeah, they hurt. They butt hurt. Put me in cuffs for criminal mischief. Right. He tried it.
So folks, in our country, the United States, the issue of recording police activities, including their vehicles, involves balancing individual rights with public safety. The First Amendment protects the right to free speech and the press, which includes recording police officers in public. Court rulings have confirmed this right because it helps keep the government transparent and accountable. Police cars, funded by taxpayer money, are public property, but that doesn't mean individuals can use them freely or without restrictions. Laws are in place to ensure public safety and order. Recording in public is a right, but it's not unlimited. It must be balanced with concerns for safety, law enforcement effectiveness, and privacy. Police officers must follow the law and can't stop someone from recording unless it truly disrupts their work or poses a safety risk. Misunderstandings about these rights can cause conflicts, so clear communication and respect are important. Knowing your rights and responsibilities, and officers respecting the public's right to record, helps avoid problems. Legal cases like Blake versus Cunniff 2011 support the right to record police in public spaces, reinforcing the importance of transparency and accountability. In summary, recording police activities is a protected part of free speech, contributing to government transparency. While police have safety concerns, these must be balanced with the public's right to document their actions. Understanding and respecting each other's rights helps build a cooperative relationship between law enforcement and the community.
Look at this. Look. He see that camera, so he want to calm down. You all right?
Huh?
You all right?
Yeah, no, and if you,
I thought you was about to hit the shit out of me.
I was gonna hit you. Did you need something?
Nah, the way you was backing up.
Did you need something?
I thought you was about to hit me.
Did you need something here?
I thought you was about to hit me.
Nowhere near you.
I'm scared as shit right now.
Okay, get up on the sidewalk. Then you ain't gotta worry about it.
You don't tell me what to do.
Jump up on the sidewalk.
You don't tell me what to do.
Do you need something here? Do you need something here?
You came to me. Did you need something here?
That's what I'm asking you. This is a state police barracks.
Do
I'm
you
asking
need something
if you
here? Get the name and badge number.
I don't have badge numbers.
What's
Sergeant Ramey.
Sergeant Raymond.
Yep, Ramey. R-E-A.
Ramey. You don't even know what your name is, Ramey.
Yep.
All right, Ramey.
Did you need help with something or no?
Do you need help?
I don't. No.
Okay.
No, because this is my barrack here. It's state police.
This is not your bird. This
Yeah,
is the people's
this is-
bird.
This is state police. This is where we work. So
Okay.
we're seeing if you needed help.
But this not your bird though.
Huh?
This not your bird.
No, I don't work at this one.
Right.
No.
So you saying this is my
This is a
bird
state
like
police
you
bird.
own it. You saying mine
Okay,
like you
can
own it.
change my words all you want to
You
make it
just
sound
said
better.
it.
I don't care. That's up to you. So
Okay.
do me a favor and head on that side because right there it says you can't come back here.
I'm not driving.
Okay? Don't need to be able to drive or anything. Can't
I'm
walk
not
back
driving,
here.
sir.
Go ahead and step over on that one.
Oh, I
Okay?
bet. I'm gonna step on over here.
Yep.
Sergeant.
On that side. That's fine. Okay? You have ID with you?
Yeah.
Let me have it. Let me see.
Damn.
Let me see it.
Damn. Why you so close to me?
Because you're
Fuck
going to
up.
hand me the ID.
I ain't giving you
I'm staying right here.
please.
I've
man.
already asked you to move.
All
So
right.
move that way.
All
Go
right,
that way.
Move out my way.
Go that way.
Move out my way. Excuse me, I'm trying to move.
Okay, go right here. You got plenty of room to move. Plenty of room to walk whichever way you want to walk.
You got herpes? Step on your lip.
Do you? Don't put it in my face.
Hey, bro, don't fucking
put it in
touch
my-
that.
Now go ahead and walk back over.
Please don't touch me again,
Walk back
sir.
over.
Please don't touch
Walk
me
back
again.
over. Like
Please
I
don't-
asked you the
please-
first time.
Please don't touch me
Like I
again.
asked you the time. Walk back over.
Please
like I asked
don't
you.
touch me again.
Okay, don't put the camera in my face like that.
The
and
camera
that's
was right
fine.
here the whole
The
time.
camera
You
was
walked
up in
up
my
to me.
face.
Fuck back.
Go ahead and walk. Go
This
ahead and
public
walk
property,
over there.
ain't it?
No, it's not.
Get the out of my way. Y'all the
No, that
same.
way. That,
yeah,
on
he
that side of
assaulted
the
me.
parking lot, and you're good.
I'm good
On that
right
side
here.
of the parking lot,
I'm
you're
good
good.
right here. Fun with you.
Listen, hold up, man.
Nah, you hold up. This man is assaulting me.
How?
He just touched me.
I don't see it.
in his face.
Give me the
Bit
camera.
these nuts. What this is? You think you gonna
Okay.
come out here and put your hands on me?
I just
I need
walked out here.
complaint
I don't see-
forms. Go give me complaint forms.
Complaint form?
Yeah,
I can give you the number to headquarters.
I need complaint forms.
Okay. Do you have ID on you?
Yeah, I do. Get it off me.
Okay. Well, look, there's a sign there. Everything behind the building is restricted access. Okay, behind the building. So where this gentleman's standing, you're more than welcome to be up there. But right here is restricted access. If you want to come over here, I'll show you.
Y'all look. I'm standing up. Y'all see y'all. Hey, you see the sign right there, right? I'm behind the sign. Something right here. Yeah, let's play. Y'all wanna play?
Well, were you guys just in the post office in Centerville?
We was minding our business, big boy.
What the Queen Anne's County said?
They said suck.
Oh, I'm sure they said that.
Yeah. Look at this bald bitch right here. Look at him. He got this big ass uniform on. Fuck wrong with him? Al Roker. Look at Al Roker. He got that uniform when he first started working. Big ass. I need a complaint form. This man just assaulted me. Can y'all call the ambulance? My arm is hurting.
You need me to call an
Yeah, please. I need him to check my hand
do
out.
that.
He just hit the shit out of me. Do y'all got body cameras?
Camera's there. And
Okay.
And he did
Oh,
not
that
hit you.
okay.
He did not hit you.
You got that on camera, right? Okay. Yup. You see him come up to me, right? He said I put the camera in his face.
How old are you? Does EMS need to know?
I tell him when they get here.
No, they need
I'm
to know
a
now.
grown
You need to know
man.
now before. Yeah, but how old are you, sir?
It don't matter.
Okay.
He's of age. I can tell you he's over 21.
This man right here just assaulted me, y'all. And then cause I asked him did he have herpes, y'all. This man just assaulted me cause I asked him did he have herpes. Look at him, man. He wanna laugh about it. Both of these bald bitches, look at him. And he's a sergeant, y'all. This is sergeant just assaulted me cause I asked him did he have herpes. He came up into my camera. It's all recorded, y'all. This man just assaulted me. You already seen the sign say vehicles only.
You already passed the sign. You need to step back some. You're past the sign now. So now you're trespassing. Step back about 2 feet and you'll be good to go. Okay? First Sergeant John Hickey, Maryland State Police. You need to step back about 2 feet past the sign.
Look, y'all. I'm past the sign.
Thank
All
you.
right, bitch. I'm right here.
You don't need to use foul language.
Shut up, bitch. Don't tell me what to do, bald bitch.
No one's telling you anything.
Get them bumps off your face, bitch.
Okay.
Sergeant.
First sergeant.
Yeah, first sergeant. Get some first shoes. Beat up ass shoes. That you want to be famous today, first sergeant. That shit don't mean nothing.
I don't know why you guys are here, but I mean, you can be.
Yeah,
but you
public
can't go
property,
past this
right?
sign.
I pay your taxes, bitch.
I pay my taxes too.
Okay, I pay your
So
taxes,
I pay myself.
bitch.
I pay myself.
I pay you too,
If
though,
you
bitch.
pass
Look
this
at me.
sign,
I pay you, bitch.
You pass this
I
sign, you'll
pay
be
you,
trespassing.
You trespass these nuts. Yeah, I see you ain't talking no more either.
Nothing else to say. We're waiting for the ambulance to get here. Since
Yeah,
you're hurting so
we
bad.
sure is.
Since you're
Thanks
hurting,
for
we're gonna get you
assaulting
the
me.
ambulance. Yep,
Thanks
we're
for
gonna get you
assaulting
the
me.
ambulance so
We got it on 2 cameras.
Yep, that way you get checked out. Make sure you're good.
The situation we're talking about happened on a public sidewalk, a place usually open for everyone, but with some rules to follow. The person in the middle of the argument strongly claims they have the right to stay there, even though the police say they're trespassing. This disagreement brings up important legal ideas, like the First Amendment that protects free speech, the public's right to use public spaces, and the rules for the police in these situations. The person insisting to stay on the sidewalk shows that they think they have the right to speak freely and gather in public. The First Amendment lets people express themselves in public places like sidewalks. But this right isn't absolute and can have some restrictions set by the government, like limits on time, place, and behavior. So the big legal question here is whether the police asking the person to leave is okay based on the situation. Accusing someone of trespassing in a public space makes us think about what's public and what's private. Trespassing usually means being on someone's property without permission, but public sidewalks are places where everyone has a right to be. Unless the person was breaking specific laws, like blocking the way or doing something illegal, just being on the sidewalk probably doesn't count as trespassing. The situation also makes us wonder about how much power the police have when it comes to trespassing on public property. Officers need to follow the law and keep order, but they also have to respect people's rights. It's a challenge to balance these responsibilities, especially when there's a disagreement about whether something is against the law, like in this case. There are legal examples that help us understand these kinds of disagreements. Some cases have looked at how much free speech and public access people have, and when the police can limit that. Usually, there needs to be a clear and current threat to public safety or order to limit access to public spaces. Without that reason, telling someone to leave a public sidewalk might be seen as going too far.
You don't feel like you need ID to come into this?
No, I do not. To come into a public building? You don't know crap, dude. That's crazy you think that. That's how you think? I want to go down to that office down there and make a FOIA request, and I would have already been on my way out by now. I said I needed to make a public records request, and you said, sure, man, come on in. And that's what you should have done. No, see, that's the fact that you think that's funny is very telling. You guys are tyrants. Hold on, your supervisor here, Captain, thinks that I have to show my ID to come into a public building. That is literally the equivalent to show me your papers to come in here. That's not how it works. It's a public building. Public. And what's the government?
Why do you think
Public.
we got security here?
It's a public building.
Why do you think
Who
we
pays
got
for this
security?
building? Who pays for this
We
building?
got security that belongs to the people that come through.
Pays for this building? The taxpayers. Makes it public. This is public property. There's 2 kinds of property, public and private. Which one is this? It ain't private. Don't be telling no lies now. It's all on camera. Everything you say that's a lie is going to come back at you because I'm going to get all these videos. There's another video camera right there.
Hello.
Hi. Hey, can I get your names and badge numbers, please? I'm Justin.
Hi, how you doing? I'm Officer Green. Little Rock Police.
Nice to meet you, brother.
All right.
I'm Justin. Why? They won't let me in.
Did you guys call?
They've letting everybody else in. I just called the PD again because I didn't know if you guys were coming. I don't know if they I didn't even know if they really called you, if they were just lying to me about it. So I just called too. But I'm trying to make a public records request and leave. That's it. I wasn't even filming whenever I walked in. I am now because they won't let me through.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool.
Partner's gonna talk to her and then
I know.
talk to them and then we'll get you just want public records?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
This gentleman comes in. He's been here before.
I've been here once before, and I was.
Sir,
Can I get your
I'm talking to him. I am talking to him. I wasn't even talking to you, lady. So chill.
Come on, let me talk to you over here. Come on.
I'll stay right here. It's cool. No, that's cool.
Sure?
Yeah.
Let's talk right here.
I'll be right here.
You got your ID on you?
No, sir.
No ID?
Nope. And I don't have to identify myself. I haven't broken a law. So.
Okay. I'm just asking, can I get your first name?
Justin.
Right?
Yeah. That's cool.
What's your last name, Justin?
I'm gonna stop right there. I don't mind you asking anything you want to ask, but I don't have to answer. So.
Okay, so you don't wanna answer any questions?
I just don't have to, you know.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm not trying to start nothing with anyone.
Okay, I got you.
You know.
So you just Justin.
Yeah. Hold on, what is he saying? He's lying right now. I don't understand why anyone would want to stop a member of the public from getting public records.
Do you have any identification on you?
I don't need an ID.
Well, you need an ID to sign the
What's
system or get into the
What's the Fourth Amendment?
Sir, do you need identification?
Ma'am, can you please tell me the Fourth Amendment? He knew the Fourth Amendment. He's a smart dude. Do you know the Fourth Amendment?
We're not here for this.
Did you take an oath to the Constitution?
I don't
Did
think
you
have
swear an
anything
oath?
identified
Did you
yourself.
swear an oath?
Okay.
I'll answer your question if you answer.
Can you step
I'll tell you
outside?
what. If you answer my
Could you step
question,
outside?
I'll answer your
Could
question.
you step outside?
No, thank you. This is a public building. I don't have to.
Okay. Sir, we're gonna need you to move.
Do you know the Fourth Amendment?
Sir,
Do you know
you're
the
gonna
Fourth
have to-
Amendment?
Sir.
If you make me leave, that's going to be a violation, and you're going to
You
lose
can't
your
even
job.
identify yourself.
I don't have to. I do not have to.
Okay.
Do you know the Fourth Amendment?
Sir.
She obviously doesn't, because she'd be proud to say it
What
if
was
she
your
did.
business here? What did you need
I need
done?
public records.
Public records.
Yes,
What can
I need
you
two
know
different types of public
you have
records.
to have identification.
No, I don't.
Okay.
I've been here before. They didn't make me, and they haven't made anyone else.
Okay. Do you have any
What's the
identification?
Fourth Amendment?
Are you able to identify yourself?
Sir, can you please tell her what the Fourth Amendment is? Because you just said it to me.
Did you push that gentleman over there?
No, he touched me.
But did you push him?
No.
He stated you pushed him.
And that's why I'm trying to get those cameras, because he's a liar.
Well, he just told me you pushed
And he's a
him.
liar.
And he works here, and you shouldn't be here.
So why are you
Can't
taking
even
his side
identify
over the public? You should be taking my
Did you tell him
side.
that he pushed you?
Yes, I did.
First?
Yes.
He said he don't want to make a report right now.
I'm thinking about it.
Okay.
It's not even about that. I just want to get my public information and be on my way. And there should be no one here trying to stop a member of the public from getting public records for any reason.
You can't even identify yourself.
I don't have to. What is the Fourth Amendment?
Okay.
What is the Fourth Amendment? Hey, get your supervisor down here. Get your supervisor down here, please. Thank you. Why would I come through there to push him? Let's think about it logically together. Why would I think about, let's think about it logically. Why would I just walk through there and push him? That's stupid. I can stand right here and talk all day, man.
What I'm saying.
You don't need that badge. You need to get out of here. Are you ready to identify? Because I'm about to go file a complaint on you if you
Are
don't.
you ready to identify?
I'm going to file a complaint on you if you don't, and it's going to be substantiated and on your record. I don't have to identify. You do. You work for the public. I am a private citizen. Why don't you like the Constitution? Why are you against it? Why do you think I shouldn't have a Fourth Amendment right? Why do you think people don't? Why do you force people out of it all the time? Maybe I need to request all your body cam from a long time. I bet there's a lot of lawsuits on there from you making people do stuff that you think you have the authority to do. So you think you can make anyone ID just because the cops are called? Is that what you think? So like, let's say there was a call and you showed up. Do you just make everyone on the scene show you their ID? Is that what you do? See, if you were confident, you would answer the question and you'd rub it in my face. But you're not confident. You're just winging it. You are the epitome of fake it till you make it. I hate that saying.
5 minutes later.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
Sir, I'm Sergeant Stangy, supervisor.
Hey, I'm Justin. Nice to meet you, man. So he just made up a bunch of stuff. So I came in. I don't mind signing in, but they never asked me to do that.
Okay.
Okay. They didn't want to let me through because they said I needed to make an appointment. Honestly, they just don't like me. And so
they know you?
Yeah, they do.
They do?
Because I was here before just trying to take pictures of the building, and they didn't want me to. And eventually...
Taking pictures outside or inside?
The inside.
Okay.
Just this little spot right here.
Okay.
And eventually a security came down and walked around with me, which is awesome. That's all I wanted to do was to get some pictures.
Okay.
But they had an attitude with me because of that the whole time. So I come in again, they immediately recognize me. I say, hey, I'm not even filming today. It's in my pocket. I'm like, hey, I need to make a FOIA
You're not
request.
filming today?
Well, I am now, but I wasn't when I walked in.
Let's be honest. If you want to be honest.
Okay, you're not listening to what I'm saying. So
hearing exactly what
when
you're
I
saying.
came in, I wasn't filming. I didn't start filming until the police were called.
Okay.
Okay. So I wasn't doing anything besides walking in like a normal person.
Filming our interaction, not their interaction with you.
I wasn't filming my interaction with them until it escalated.
Okay.
Then I decided it was
What
smart
is
of me
it
to.
you need us
So,
to do?
do you mind if I finish my story real quick? So when he put his hands on me first, and that's one of the requests that I want to make, is for those cameras, because he's lying saying I touched him.
You can do a FOIA request for those cameras.
Right, exactly. That's all I want to do is that, and I want one more FOIA request, which is the contract between the city or this building and their security, and that's it. Those are the two things I want, and I could have been gone 30 minutes ago.
I don't know who would handle that FOIA request.
Really, anyone in this building, I can say it to, and then they can pass it on up. Really,
Well, I think there's an entity that actually would take that
there would
FOIA
be,
request. It's
but
not
by
just a
law,
general FOIA
I can make it to anyone, and they can pass it up.
Okay. Who do you want to make the FOIA request to?
Well, I initially asked to go see public records, and they wouldn't let me. So then I'm not sure what this office is down here. I forget. I just remember that there was one down here last time, and I can make it to them. I already know I can. And it'll take me 8 seconds.
Where can we get him to make this FOIA request?
Yeah, that's all I want.
The FOIA request, they said, has to come from the city manager's office.
Okay.
And we've already...
It'll get forwarded up to them.
The office he's talking about down there doesn't have no public records, that's human resources.
Right.
That'll work. That works. Human resources.
Well, human resources is for us. That's the,
Yeah, but
that's not-
I have had them fulfill FOIA requests.
Okay.
I
They're
can.
telling you you've got to go through the city manager's office, and they're trying to accommodate that by getting a representative down here to you.
Well, they weren't until now.
This is Rachel. She's in the city manager's office.
Yes. All right, they're going to come down and talk to you and take care of you.
That could have been done a
Anything
long
else we
time
can do?
ago. That's it, man. Thank you.
All right, we got his information.
You don't want to give us his information. You just said his name's Justin.
Yeah.
We'll need to see your information.
What's the Fourth Amendment, sir?
Pardon me?
What's the Fourth Amendment?
You tell me.
It's my right to be free from seizures of my papers, persons, and effects.
Hold on.
That's what it is.
You're
I'm
missing
sorry.
a word.
Okay, what is it?
Google it.
What is it?
Google it and tell me the
What
word
is
you're
it?
missing.
What is it? I'm
You-
filming right now. I
know the
can't.
word.
I am filming.
Quit filming and Google it.
No, you Google it. I am right.
If you do not
I don't.
identify yourself, I'm going to arrest you for obstructing governmental operations.
Works.
You
That's
know
not
who
how
I
it works.
am.
That's
I
not how it
identified
works.
myself to you.
That's not how it works. I'm
That's
a private.
exactly how it
I
works.
don't. Okay, you need RAS. You need reasonable, articulable suspicion that I've committed a crime in order for me to ID myself.
You have prevented me from conducting
That's not how it works.
lawful government
You can't
operations.
arrest me for resist. You can't arrest me
I can't
for.
arrest you for resisting? Are you sure?
No, listen. You can't arrest me for
You're fumbling over your words.
refusing to
Justin?
ID.
You know what we think his name is Justin?
You can't arrest me for refusing to ID.
Justin.
Now, under threat of arrest, I
Now,
will.
here's what I tell you what we can do.
Now
He
you.
refuses to identify. We don't have to let him in, right?
No,
He's
that's
gotta
not how
sign
it
in.
works. Can I get your supervisor down here?
I don't have a supervisor.
Yeah,
I
you
have a
do.
supervisor.
I need your supervisor down here because you don't know how
How many
things work.
supervisors do you want down
Someone that knows what's going on.
know
Usually,
what's going
usually
on.
sergeants don't. Usually lieutenants do. So if you have a
here?
lieutenant
Usually
around,
Sergeants don't know what's going
yeah,
on.
yep. When it comes to the Constitution, Justin, nice to meet you. Thank you.
I am the executive assistant to Bruce
Nice-
Moore, city manager.
Okay, cool.
They told me what you wanted. Now that, and I'm sure you know, if you put them in before, they go to the city attorney's office. But I'm happy. I printed off the forms for you,
Thank you.
so you can fill those out.
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Security guard's information.
Very easy. Very easy. So if you think you can arrest someone for failure to ID, that's a big no-no, and I need your lieutenant down here, please. That's a big no-no. Now I see where you got it. What's up, man? You have a lieutenant coming down, or?
I've addressed you as sir. If you could call me, hey, sir, or sergeant,
Sure.
that would be awesome.
Yes, sounds
You
good.
want me to treat you with respect.
I just try to treat people like I do my buddies. I'm not, you know what I mean?
Buddies.
Well, I'm just trying to be polite.
This is an official
That's how I'm
capacity.
polite. And if you want me to call you sir, I will. That's all you got to do. Is
It's
ask.
on the way.
That's all you gotta do is ask. All
All
right.
he has asked is if you've gotten what you wanted, and that you were free to leave.
Yeah.
If you still request his presence, that is totally fine. He's on his way down here.
Are you still threatening to arrest me?
From us.
Are you still threatening to arrest me?
I didn't threaten to arrest you.
All right.
If you do not
I don't.
identify yourself, I'm going to arrest you for obstructing governmental operations.
Right.
If you do not
I don't.
identify yourself, I'm going to arrest you for obstructing governmental operations.
Oh,
I said you need to identify
it's on camera.
yourself.
It's on
You need to
camera.
identify
It's on
yourself.
camera. Are you gonna arrest me if I don't?
No, sir. Are we free to go? Are you done?
Yes, please leave. You're dismissed. Thank you. Walk of shame.
Public buildings are meant for everyone to use and are usually owned by the government. But how they're managed can be different, and this affects what people can do. Their some areas in particular are a bit tricky because they serve the public, but sometimes private companies or a mix of private and public groups run them. For example, if airports are public or private isn't clear-cut. Even though they're generally seen as public because they help the public and get federal money, some parts, like secure areas, are restricted and might be considered private. This matters a lot when thinking about the right to record videos in these places. Usually you can record in public areas, but there are rules, especially in sensitive spots. Whether you need permission depends on where you're recording and why. Having press credentials can make things easier and show you're serious about what you're doing, but it's not a must according to the law. The right to record videos is for everyone, not just journalists with special badges. However, some places, especially in sensitive areas, might have rules asking for extra permissions or credentials. When the police come while you're recording in public, the rule about showing ID can be different depending on where you are. In general, there's no federal law saying you have to show ID while doing legal things like recording in public. However, some state laws might ask for ID in certain situations. Knowing the legal limits of recording in public parts is important. While it's usually okay to record in public areas, filming in sensitive spots like security checkpoints can be a problem. Breaking federal rules or compromising security can lead to serious consequences. The chance of getting in trouble for using freedom of the press in some sensitive areas depends on how and why you're recording. The law usually supports the right to record in public spaces, but causing problems in sensitive areas or breaking specific laws might lead to legal issues. But they have to find a balance between keeping people safe and respecting their rights. This balance is super important to make sure authorities work well and everyone's rights are protected.